Assalamualaikum guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we are going to discuss about birds name: sparrow, eagle, robin, hawk, blue jay, peacock, cardinal, red eagle, finch, swallow, osprey, crow, pelican, albatross, squirrel, toucan, woodpecker, owl, parrot, falcon, vulture, kingfisher, robin, puffin, kestrel, wren, cuckoo, blood eagle, crab, swallow, snowy owl, lark, cormorant, spoonbill, gannet, warble, hopi, tan, magpie, oriole. If you like this video, please like, subscribe, share my channel and watch my all video I uploaded in my YouTube account. Thanks for watching and thanks for supporting me on YouTube. Have a nice day.